welcome to Closet Confections. I'm your host Kendra, and today we are going to style up 4 summer looks. So recently I did a thing. I signed up for Rent the Runway's unlimited program, and it's something I've been meaning to do for a while, but you know, pandemic, quarantine, yada yada yada, never got around to it. So I got 4 gorgeous dresses. I got some other stuff there. I'm going to shoot for another video and I'm going to show you guys, but I decided that I would put them on, style them up for you guys, and give you my thoughts on Rent the Runway. For those of you who aren't familiar with Rent the Runway and their unlimited program, so Rent the Runway is just like it sounds. It's a clothing rental service. So typically if you had a special event to go to, like a wedding or like some kind of party, or you know, anything that you wanted to look nice for and didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a dress that you're going to only wear for one occasion, you could go to Rent the Runway, rent your dress, your accessories, your bag, jewelry, and whatnot, and just return it. So yeah, I'm very excited. So without further ado, let's get into these outfits because I know you want to see them. All right, gang, so we have our first look, which is from Farm Rio. This is a Brazilian brand that I've been wanting to try for a while, but they have these amazing sales on their site. I've gone to their store in Soho back pre-quarantine, and I fell in love with just their colorful prints and fun designs. But every time they have sales on their site, they always are sold out of my size. And it's been so frustrating. Like, I've had my credit card ready to get, you know, a piece, and I've been disappointed. So, any case, when I saw that Rent the Runway had their new collection, I pounced on it. So this dress I think is beautiful. And I got the extra large because sometimes in these contemporary brands, they run kind of small, but that actually was not the case with this one. Like, this one is actually kind of big. It's loose here, which I was really surprised about because I am quite busty. Like, I wear like a double D cup. So I was surprised at that. I think if I were to buy one of their pieces, which I do plan to, if they have my size in stock, I might even go down to a large if it's one of these like loose floral, one of these loose fitting numbers. So this one has little macrame detail, I think that's what you call it, and it's actually cut out right here. So I like that. It's kind of flirty, but it's not really showing anything. And then it has these beautiful buttons, and as you can see here, it has like Swiss dots that are embroidered onto the dress and more macrame details. I love the different color print, and I'll show you down here just the kind of crochet detail around the hemline. I think this dress is beautiful. I am so happy with this, with this rental. So I just styled it up. I kept it very simple. I'm wearing one of my favorite pair of earrings, these Lizzie Fortunata earrings that I got from Barney's before they closed down. These bangles that I've had for probably going on like a decade almost, from Amrita Singh. They're great quality. You can see I've had these for a long time and they haven't tarnished. And then I'm wearing my vintage handbag. This is a little straw handbag that I got at a vintage store in the Hudson Valley. And then some old, excuse my non-pedicure toes, suede ankle wrap sandals that I got from J. Crew ages ago. So that is our first look. And on to the next one. Okay, so next up we have another beautiful number from Farm Rio that I am obsessed with. This might be my favorite dress of the bunch. So again, I got this in an extra large, and it's kind of big up in the top portion. I like the way it fits along here at the bottom. It's very loose and flowy, but up here, you know, it kind of falls off me, but I don't mind. I think I kind of like that because it kind of gives you this off the shoulder vibe, or you can wear it just fully on the shoulder if I went down a size. So this one just makes me feel like, I don't know, like I'm on an island vacation. I love the bold colors, this beautiful print. So I decided to have fun with the accessories and kind of play up the island vibe. So I'm wearing my new earrings that I got from Tiny Tassel. It's a Black-owned business, so if you guys are looking for more Black-owned businesses to support, Tiny Tassel has the cutest accessories, and I could not resist these little flamingo earrings, these pink flamingo earrings that I thought went perfectly kind of as a kind of counterpoint to this dress. And I'm wearing, of course, my favorite vacation bag, this little Cult Gaia Arc tote, and just a pair of like old, kind of dusty suede bow sandals in marigold that I got from Zara like years ago, like before Christian was even born. I don't know if you guys remember, but these sandals were like all the rage, and they go perfect with this dress. So I love this. I love everything about it. I'm very impressed with the Farm Rio brand, so I think I definitely will, if they have my size, will be investing in some of their pieces to add to my permanent collection. But for now, it's fun to rent. Peeps. So the next two pieces are from the Color Me Courtney collection, which is exclusive to Rent the Runway. And as soon as I saw this dress, I knew I had to have it. I thought it would be so much fun to shoot. Unfortunately, the day that I went out to the park to take some pics for my blog and Instagram, it poured. It like the skies just opened up and it just rained so hard, so I got completely soaked, which is one of the good things about Rent the Runway though, because I don't have to worry about like, I mean, you don't want to damage the dress or whatever, but like they dry clean everything, and so you can sweat in it and return it, and you know, it's not like if you were to buy something, not suggesting you do this, but I know some people buy things from stores with the intention of wearing it and returning it, which is like a dangerous and kind of like not really ethical practice. In case, if you are not following Color Me Courtney on Instagram, you are missing out. She's a self-professed color queen, super into like body positivity and like spreading joy, and she also keeps it real, so I highly recommend checking out her Instagram. But in any case, I love these dresses. I don't think that they're available anywhere except for Rent the Runway, but this one has pockets and it has this little tie here that comes undone. It's a little long for me in the torso, but keep in mind, I'm 5'7", but I have like a very short torso. So like in my torso area, I'm actually like petite portions, which is kind of awkward. But anyway, I love this look and I think it's so fun and cute and summery. It reminds me of that game Twister with this polka dot print and the rainbow print. So I thought I would go with fun accessories. So I'm wearing my favorite sunglasses of all time, these Prada Baroque shades that I've had for years and years and years, these red tassel earrings that I got from H&M, and I have in like 3 or 4 different colors, and this cute little red handbag that I got from J. Crew, and I had it personalized with these little charm initials that I also got from J. Crew. And then lastly, a super old pair of red kind of like pom-pom tasseled sandals that I got from Banana Republic. So yeah, fun dress, fun accessories, and I think this will be perfect to wear to like a picnic, or maybe if amusement parks are open. If this were normal times, I would totally wear this to like a state fair or carnival or something like that for a cute date night look. All right, and now for our last piece. Alright gang, so last but certainly not least, another fun, gorgeous print from the Color Me Courtney collection. I think of the two, this one's definitely my favorite. So it has little watermelon slices all over it. Doesn't that just scream summer? I thought that this was so fun and cute. So because this dress makes a bold statement, I was very particular with my accessories. So I put on these clear Rachel Kami earrings that I got earlier in the spring that I love so much, that go perfectly with these bangles that I've had for years and years and years. And my Stud handbag, which is also clear, and it has that yellow leather case on the inside that I thought kind of echoed the yellow print in the watermelon. with that nicely. And then a new pair of shoes that I will talk more about in another video, but these were a recent acquisition. But these are these clear heels that I got from Macy's Bar 3. I don't know if you can see, but they have like a little ball on the heel. I call these my Cinderella slippers, and I love them. So yeah, another cute, fun look. I'm really digging it with these like clear accessories. I think that kind of makes like a little statement. So yeah, I'm a happy camper. So the way it works with the Rent the Runway, let me turn the camera around. Yes, so the way that it works with Rent the Runway Unlimited is that you pay a monthly fee. I think they have 3 different levels. So I did level 2. With level 1, I think that you get 4 dresses per month or 4 outfits per month that you can send in. With level 2, you get 2 swaps per month. So you get 4 dresses with each swap. So that's a total of like 8 different outfits. And then there's the unlimited, where I think you get 5 dresses at a time and you can swap an unlimited amount of times. So I may upgrade, like if I were out like shooting content and like blogging like I used to in my heyday, I would definitely probably get the unlimited, where you get as many dresses as you want, like 5 at a time. But for now, I think 8 dresses per month is going to be like plenty for me. So I kind of don't want to let this dress go, and also to that other that Farm Rio dress. This one, I kind of want to keep it. So I think, I'm not positive, I'll double check that, but I believe that they allow you, if you love something, you have the option to purchase it. So I will check into that, because like I said, I do like these 2 pieces in particular. But in any case, it's a great way to just kind of try out new brands, especially with the sizing, because like I definitely would not have known about the Farm Rio sizing. Like that, I probably would have definitely ordered an extra large instead of the large, but now going forward, I know. So in any case, that about wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you decide to try out Rent the Runway. Of course, I will hook you up and provide links down below to tell you more about it, and also 2 links for all of my accessories and everything, so that you can shop to your heart's content as well. As always, thank you so much for swinging by, listening to me talk about clothes, try on dresses and shoes and accessories. I appreciate you guys so much. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't know what you're waiting for, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. I put out videos like this weekly, sometimes twice. And until next time, stay classy and stay fabulous. About to shoot some video. Gonna try some outfits. That's how I have to hype myself up before each video. All right, y'all, bye.